Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing some nose surgery. Let's do this. Alright. Giggity. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. Operate. Don't try this at home. Just saying, guys, you do not want to try this at home. Your patient actually. Oh god, what the fuck's wrong with her nose? Ew. Oh, you ugly bitch. Just put the dildo mask on her face. It's okay. I'm a professional. Okay. Now, you're gonna retract it. Oh god, please don't tell me. Ew. Gross. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. Ashley, I'm sorry. Oh my fucking god. No, please no. Do I need to cut even more? What do I need to go with? This. Just burn the blood away. No one needs blood anymore. Oh god, come on. Come on. Pick up the scalpel. Seriously, I'm gonna cut even more. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh no. Ew, no. What the fuck's wrong with her nose? Oh, fuck. Ew. Let's pick up the tweezers. What the fuck? Ew. Oh, fuck. What the hell? Oh my god, no. Please no. What are we gonna do now? Oh no, just stick it up her. Okay. This is some weird shit, dude. This is some weird shit. Just keeps. What the hell? What did I not hit her brain? How is that not bleeding? Bone ability, we can remove it and pick up the tweezers. Whoops. Okay. Oh god, I can't even see anything. How am I supposed to? Okay, just keep taking bones out of her freaking nose. Pick out the nasal route. What does this do? Okay, stab more pointy stuff into her nose. Okay, pick up the ostomy. Oh my god, again? What am I doing to this poor woman? I mean, girl. She's a girl, right? Poor girl. They should not let me do this. Why are they even letting me do this? I'm fucking crazy, man. I'll kill her. Okay. Yeah, let's just shape her nose. Almost done. You know, let's just sew her nose back together. It's okay. Oh my god. This is gross. Okay, now we need to nasal tip. Pick up the needle. Where's the needle? There it is. This is disgusting. Gross. Everything in place. Okay, good work. Now we gonna put is it just yeah. Okay, now we put a nice bandage I'm sure I should recover no time. Yay! Mistakes. 1. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you later.